Having the right dash cam can be the difference between staying safe and financially secure, with the security of having footage when you need it, or having a product that doesn't work when you need it the most. In this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 best dash cams so you'll never have to worry about your dash cam working the way you intended it to. The only issue is that a dash cam might work great for one person, but might not be the best for you. And that's just because some dash cams work better for different situations and vehicles, which is why I made sure to include options for all types of situations. So regardless of your situation, I'll have the perfect dash cam for you. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned so you don't miss anything. First on my list is the Vantrue N4, my choice for the best front and rear dash cam. The Vantrue N4 dash cam is an excellent choice for anyone who wants to record both front and rear of their vehicle in high definition. With its dual lens setup, this dash cam is able to capture everything that happens on the road, giving you peace of mind when you're driving. The video quality is top notch, with 4K front and 1080p rear recording capabilities that produce sharp, clear footage. The dash cam is also equipped with night vision, so you can rely on it to capture footage even in low light situations. Now, one of the standout features of the Vantrue N4 is its 2.45-inch touchscreen display. The display makes it easy to review footage and change settings, so you don't have to fiddle with any tiny buttons or confusing menus. The dash cam also comes with a built-in G sensor that automatically saves footage when it detects a sudden impact, providing you with extra protection in case of an accident. It also helps support loop recording, so you don't have to worry about running out of storage space. The N4 is a triple-channel dash cam which offers 155-degree front camera, 165-degree inside camera, and 160-degree rear camera. It can simultaneously monitor the front, rear, and interior of your vehicle while providing audio. This camera is powered by a super capacitor built to survive extreme weather conditions from 14 degrees Fahrenheit to 158 degrees Fahrenheit, making it ideal for extreme hot weather or cold weather areas. The Vantrue N4 is a great dash cam for anyone who wants a dash cam that is packed with features and produces high quality video. With its dual lens setup, you can be sure that you're capturing everything that happens on the road. And with its 4K front recording capabilities, you can be sure that the video will be sharp and clear. If you're looking for a dash cam that is easy to use and provides excellent video quality from dual cameras, the Vantrue N4 is a great dash cam. Next on the list is the Rove R2, my choice for the best dash cam for most people. The Rove R2 dash cam is a high quality 4K dash cam that can record videos up to a robust resolution of 2160p. The ultra high definition video recording quality is also good, and you will really notice clear, sharp detail. It has built-in GPS that tracks the speed and location of your vehicle, so you have all the information you need in case of an accident. It is also equipped with a G sensor that automatically saves footage if it detects a sudden impact. One of the standout features of the Rove R2 is its ease of use. The dash cam is equipped with a 2.4-inch LCD display that makes it easy to review footage and change settings, so you don't have to fiddle with tiny buttons or confusing menus. The dashboard camera boasts f1.8 aperture and a 150-degree wide-angle lens. With the built-in Wi-Fi, use the Rove's app to view and manage dash cam recordings instantly on your iOS and Android devices. Using the app, you can also download your recorded 4K videos directly to your smartphone. The dash cam also supports loop recording, so you don't have to worry about running out of storage space. It comes with an internal battery power source and night vision technology, which helps it to get comparatively clearer footage and images from recording in low light conditions. Overall, the Rove R2 is a great dash cam for anyone who wants a high quality dash cam that has the features and value that would work well for most people. With its 4K HD recording capabilities, built-in GPS, and G sensor, you can be sure that you're getting a dash cam that provides excellent video quality. So if you're looking for a solid overall dash cam that suits most people, the Rove R2 is a perfect choice. Next on the list is the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2, my choice for the best mini dash cam. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 is a small and discreet dash cam that packs up when it comes to features and video quality. Despite its compact size, the dash cam is equipped with a 1080p HD camera that records video in crisp detail day and night. The dash cam is equipped with voice control, so you can use spoken commands to save video, start and stop audio recording, take photos hands-free, and even more. It also has a G sensor that automatically saves footage when it detects a sudden impact. A major plus of the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 is its discreet design. The dash cam is small enough to be mounted behind your rearview mirror, so it won't obstruct your view or be noticeable from the outside of the vehicle. The dash cam supports loop recording, so you don't have to worry about running out of storage space, and it boasts a healthy 140-degree field of view. Saved videos automatically upload via the Wi-Fi connection to the secure online vault to view and share later. The parking guard feature, which is accessible via the Garmin app, will monitor activity around your parked vehicle and alert you if an incident is detected. You can access the camera remotely for live view monitoring via the Garmin Drive app. You can get this on your compatible smartphone when you're away from your parked car. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 is a great dash cam for anyone who wants a small, discreet dash cam that still provides excellent video quality and features. With its 1080p HD recording capabilities and G sensor, you can be sure that you're getting a dash cam that provides excellent protection in case of an accident. If you're looking for a small dash cam that's easy to use, the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 is a great choice. If you're interested in updated pricing on any of the items mentioned in this video, be sure to check out the links below. Prices update on these products almost daily with sales and general price drops, so if you want to find the most updated information, check the description. If you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving this video a like and subscribing. Up next on my list is the Nextbase 622 GW, my choice for the best overall dash cam. The Nextbase 622 GW is a top-of-the-line dash cam that offers the ultimate in video quality and features. The dash cam is equipped with a front 4K UHD camera that records at 30 frames per second or optimal higher levels of 1440p HD at 60 frames per second or 1080p HD at 120 frames per second. The rear camera will record at 1080p, so overall the 622 GW's cameras provide stunning detail, capturing everything that happens on the road in crystal clear quality. The dash cam has Alexa built in, so you can use your voice to start and stop recording, take photos, place calls, listen to audiobooks, and even more. An ultra-fast dual 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi enables you to send video footage straight to your phone. The dash cam is also equipped with GPS, which means you will know the location and speed of your vehicle, and with a G sensor that will save footage should there ever be an impact. One of the outstanding features of the Nextbase 622 GW is its image stabilization feature, which reduces vibrations so that the fine details are visible and also viewable in super slow motion. The high pixel sensor enables enhanced night vision, and in extreme weather mode allows you to see through the fog. The dash cam also supports loop recording, so you don't have to worry about running out of storage space, and it boasts a large 3-inch LCD display that makes it easy to review footage and change settings. The Nextbase 622 GW is a great choice for anyone who wants a top-of-the-line dash cam that provides the ultimate in video quality and features. With its 4K UHD recording capabilities, Alexa built-in, GPS, and G sensor, you can be sure that you're getting a dash cam that provides the ultimate protection. If you're looking for a top-notch dash cam that is packed with features, the Nextbase 622 GW is a great choice. And my top dash cam on this list is the Vantrue N1 Pro, my choice for the best dash cam for the money. The Vantrue N1 Pro is a budget-friendly dash cam that offers excellent video quality and features. The dash cam is equipped with a 1920 by 1080p HD camera that records at 30 frames per second, resulting in video that is crisp and clear. The wide 160-degree angle and f1.8 aperture enable it to record everything in precise detail. The dash cam is also equipped with a G sensor that will save footage if it detects a sudden impact. In addition, with its 24-hour parking mode, it will auto power on and end recording after 20 seconds once it detects collision or impact when parked. One of the standout features of the Vantrue N1 Pro is its compact design. The dash cam is small enough to be mounted behind your rear view mirror, so it won't obstruct your view or be noticeable from the outside of the vehicle. The dash cam supports loop recording, so you don't have to worry about running out of storage space. It is also equipped with a 1.5-inch LCD display that makes it easy to review footage and change settings. Made of higher tech materials, the working temperature of this unit is from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 158 degrees Fahrenheit, so the dash cam has a longer lifetime and stable performance. Now, with its time-lapse feature enabled, the camera will keep taking photos at the set time interval and then edit them together to a video clip, thus reducing the size of the video file. Overall, the Vantrue N1 Pro is a great choice for anyone who is looking for a budget-friendly dash cam that still provides excellent video quality and features. With its 1080p HD recording capabilities and G-sensor and parking mode, you can be sure that you're getting a dash cam that provides excellent protection in case of an accident. And if you're looking for a dash cam that offers excellent value for the money, the Vantrue N1 Pro is a great choice. If you guys like this video or learned something, please give it a like and be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all the products mentioned in this video. That's all. Till next time.